This video will show you how to create an internal link. At the bottom of my summary sheet, I've added in an instruction saying now that you've identified all the fails in your product, please create an action plan to remediate them. And I'd like to add in an internal link to take them to the action plan. So I just want to see what cell that begins in. Actually, I will begin with cell A1 because that gives them some instructions. So, going back to my summary sheet. So I want it in the cell immediately below the instruction. I'm going to right click on that cell and select link. There are three options. These will be addressed in different videos. For an internal link to another place in your spreadsheet, you need to select place in this document. The text to display, I'm going to select action plan. I want it to go to cell A1 and I want it to take me to the action plan worksheet. I'll click OK. So now I've got a link there to my action plan, and if I click on it, it takes me straight to cell A1 on that sheet. So that's how you create an internal link.